How could I be tight to you? Look, you're embarrassing me like this. Omo, let's go fly you. Ah, oh my God.
Just allow your head.
Oh, hi. Hi, Bago. Bago. My body is singing. One or two talk. Understand? You know what is left? Just take me to the sky. I'll jump off my airplane. I swear I'll fly.
You will fly.
I'm so light.
No parachute or
No
anything.
parachute.
Are those tears?
A real agonizing doesn't tear up.
So they are just going to make you feel.
Oh my God.
What are you looking for?
Hi.
We haven't really started though, that's the thing.
Nah.
The way this is going, this session will take 1 hour.
Jericho.
Don't you show that down? Just allow your head.
Oh.
Down. Relax.
Hi.
Go to this one.
Hey. Nah.
Relax down. So I continue as well with.
Go to look. Oh. Nah. Wow. Oh God.
What are you feeling?
I don't know. Eba. Omo, let's go fly you. Wow.
It feels free.
Nah, stop. How could I be tight to you? Look, you're embarrassing me like this.
I do too.
Wow. Hi.
This one will help to compress the spine.
To do what?
Decompress the spine. Not in the best. Are you ready? Relax your head.
It's not tears. It's just water that I drank this morning. What? I felt it in my brain.
It's like it used to be. Your brain.
Wow. My body is singing.
Wait, what song is this singing? Sing the song for us. What song is it? Sing the song, man. Let me hear.
They're just things that just tickling me all over my body. It's just
A rush.
one or two talk. You understand this? Wow. Oof. I'm bad. Disclaimer is water.
Water coming, not tears.
It's water that I drank this morning.
Oh, you had too much water this morning.
Yeah, excess fluid.
I understand that too. I'm going to stay with you. Come and rest. What do you have to say to the people?
You know what is left?
What's it?
Just take me to the sky. I'll jump off my airplane. I swear I'll fly.
You will fly.
I'm so light.
No parachute or
No
anything.
parachute.
Go.
Wonderful.
It's real. Thank you for doing
No.
Jehovah, that won't enter.
Bro, this thing is real. I swear, this thing is real.